Hey, it's Ines from CAROBOT, and this is part 5 of the bedroom alarm project. In this video, we'll be learning how to create a delay so we can set up our alarm and have time to leave our room, and also how to use a push button to turn the alarm off. The first thing we want to do is disconnect our USB power cable before making any wired connections. Then, take your green button and place it in your CARO box. The next thing you have to do is grabbing your jumper wire, open up your CARO box, and make a wired connection safely from underneath. Then, using the other end of the jumper wire, connect it to input 1 of your Swiss cheese board. When connecting jumper wires to your modules, make sure that these little rails here slide along the module so that this plastic connection fits in between, just like this. Now that we have our button connected to our box, we can head on over to CAROBOT. Once we're in CAROBOT, the first thing we want to do is create a 10-second delay so that we can set up our alarm and leave our room without triggering it. What we'll do is go into the control bin and grab the delay millisecond block and place that as the first block in our setup notch. Then we'll change the value from 1000 milliseconds to 10,000 milliseconds, which is a 1 followed by 4 zeros. Then, to let us know that the sensor has started working and the alarm is set, we'll go into CAROBOT and Swiss cheese and grab this LED block and place it underneath. We'll change the pin to output 2 and leave it on. What this means is that after 10 seconds, the LED will turn on, which signifies that the sensor has started recording distance and the alarm has been set and it's ready to be triggered once the door opens again. The last and final thing we want to do is add our push button to our program so that we can turn off the alarm once it's been triggered. We'll scroll down to the second program, which runs when the alarm has been activated. We'll go into the control bin. We'll grab the if block. We'll place that in the while loop underneath the delay. We'll go into CAROBOT and Swiss cheese. We'll grab the button block and place that in the test notch and change the pin number to input 1. Then we'll go into variable and constants. We'll grab the set integer and variable block and then we'll change this to alarm. This means when the button is pressed, we'll switch the alarm variable from the on state back to the off state. Then go into CAROBOT and Swiss cheese and grab this no tone block and change the output to output 1. What this does, it turns off the buzzer completely. And finally, we'll go into control. We'll grab our delay block and we'll add another 10,000 second delay. So 1 followed by 4 zeros. This is to ensure that the program does not loop and go back and start running the alarm again. We want enough time to turn off the alarm and then unplug it. Now that our program's been created, we can plug our USB cable back into our laptop or computer and then hit upload in CAROBOT. Once your program's been uploaded to your board, you can grab your other 3 buttons to use as diversions when someone tries to press the button to turn off your alarm, and then also grab your battery and your adapter to plug into your board so that we can make the alarm portable rather than using your laptop or computer to power your board. Now that everything's been set up, to use our alarm, we just need to place it beside our door facing a wall. Then, to set the alarm, we need to open our box, take your battery, and plug it into your Swiss cheese board. Now we can leave our room. We have 10 seconds to. After 10 seconds, your LED will turn on to show that the alarm's been set and it's ready to catch an intruder that comes into your room. So if we open our door again, the alarm will go off. And now to turn off the alarm, all you have to do is press this button. And there you have it. And that's all for this project. I hope you guys enjoyed it and have fun with your new alarm. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and check out our other videos.